Hello everyone, this is Ranim Qaddura. Today I'm going to show you how to add a function to EvoloPy framework. There are 3 simple steps. You first need to define the function in the benchmark.py file, then add the function details, and eventually use the function in your example file. I'm going to show you how to do that. Open the benchmarks.py file, put your function anywhere in the file, then search for the getFunctionDetails function at the end of the file, and put your function along with the other functions. You need to specify the name of the function, the lower bound, the upper bound, and the dimension. Open your example file and put your function in the objective function list. You can now run your example. I hope that this helps, and thank you for watching.